This summer I lived at our house in Idaho for a month, and on the way home we took the long way through Idaho and Montana and fly fished with my dog Sunny. I realized that sometimes you have to leave a person or a place or a thing, and when you return, you realize it was home all along. This is a love letter to the West, and the understanding that if you have a great dog, a woman who you love, some friends, and something that you're really passionate about, home is anywhere that you make it. We checked out spring creeks and small streams, and when we got tired, we slept. When we were hungry, we ate, and when we were thirsty, we definitely drank. But more than anything, we fished. A lady in a bar in Park City asked me what I liked so much about fly fishing, and my answer was immediate. Anything that's important in life is tack sharp, right in focus. Anything that's not important or ancillary is out of focus or not even in the frame. I suffered from anxiety a lot in my past career and in life. When I'm fly fishing, I never feel 1 ounce of nervousness or anxiety. I talked to a gentleman who owns a fly shop, and his best advice was to keep it between 10 and 2. 10 and 2. Just like in life. Back, forward, cast, mend. Hopefully you can bring a fish in. Look them in the eye, thank them, and wish them the very best life possible. I put down fly fishing 5 years ago. It was too discouraging. I picked it back up, and I'm glad I did. I still have tough days, but I have more great days than bad days. And I'm learning, and more than anything, I'm in the arena. And when I'm fly fishing, I feel something deeply. And isn't that what we're all looking for? Just to feel something.